we're starting a video, and we are going to Mille Lacs, and we are gonna have so much fun. We're gonna see friends and hang out and fish, and we're gonna be able to see dogs, and it's gonna be really fun. So hope you tag along. Please subscribe. Bye.
Oh, there it is! There it is!
There, no more reeling.
No more reeling.
That lady's off the job.
Here we go, Canada style.
Hi guys.
We're gonna go get some bait. What are we gonna get? Some night crawlers?
And some leeches.
Some night crawlers and some leeches. We're almost to Mille Lacs. Here we go. We're gonna go in there and get some. We'll be back. We're at Prince Bait. See? And then there's minnows. Alexa's playing with the minnows.
Ew, they're disgusting. Ugh.
Oh, you hold them. There's bigger ones. Yeah, there's bigger ones. Look at them all.
Oh, yeah. Dad, can I use like the net for on the boat when I catch minnows, like with my hands?
But JT will have one.
Oh, okay. I want to pick the lure.
Which one do you want?
That one or yeah.
What did we get?
We got night crawlers.
And leeches. She loves leeches. And we got the rules for Mille Lacs. So we need to figure out if we can even keep a fish. We might be able to keep one.
If they don't let us, I'm going to give them a piece of my mind. A piece!
All right, here we go. We're getting a ride out to JT's boat. Okay, what do you feel like?
There's a bucking horse on here.
You feel like what?
I'm on a bucking horse. My hair's wet.
So we made it to Mille Lacs, huh?
Yeah.
We're at Mille Lacs.
Staying over.
I made it home from Winnebago last night at about 12:30.
But we didn't.
Got unpacked.
We didn't get to go to Canada. And Dad.
We brought Mom to the airport. And then Alexa and I ran up to Mille Lacs for the night.
Because we wanted to.
We're gonna go fishing.
Where's Miss Miles? Oh, no.
You pick up any more?
Hi, Miles.
One.
I got 2 last. John, how many you got?
I got 0.
Get the skunk.
She
Oh, I don't want to bonk into the boat.
Hey, Biddy.
Oh, he's so cute on
We'll
you.
get him. We'll get him.
Where'd your mom go today?
Laurie, I need one of them longer snells.
Oh, is Miles
Biddy.
okay?
Biddy.
And we're gonna get you a new crawler.
Biddy.
This one?
Yeah, the little snell. Yeah. So let's.
Hey, Biddy.
I'm sorry, what did you
Alexis.
Oh, it got off.
Oh.
No, it didn't.
Oh, darn it.
No, it's still there.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
It got off, honey.
No, it didn't.
Nope, don't reel anymore.
Got off.
It got off.
Bummer.
I'm still gonna get one.
You'll get one. What are you looking at, Alexa?
It's all gone.
Looking at the fish on the screen.
Yeah, but they're not biting. Those stubborn fish.
They're stubborn fish.
Forward, the other direction. Reel.
We got a lefty.
Reel.
We got a lefty reel.
There it is.
There it is. There's the fish.
Yeah.
It's a walleye.
Anymore.
It's a walleye.
I'll get that net.
Oh, we got the
We got it. Good job, Alexa.
Nice one. Look at that. Give it a kiss.
No.
1, 2, 3. There he goes. Good job.
Hold on.
Next time you have
So
to hold it all by yourself.
How was the experience reeling in left-handed?
Bad because this jacket is bigger than my arm. And I kept trying to go like this and like trying to reel, but it kept going down. Tough experience. Well,
Lex is hooked up.
Hooked up, baby.
Hooked up.
Rob might have to land that one because that leader's long. Keep on cranking, girl. Woo-wee. There you go. No more reeling.
There he is.
Look at the size of that one. Where's the net, Rob?
It's a good one. Where is the net?
Laurie. Oh, look at that one.
I got impaled!
You got
Got
it.
impaled!
Did you get goosed?
This is an update, by the way.
Oh,
We
whole school under us.
have a whole school under us, if you've already noticed, because he yelled it out. But we're gonna go eat, and after this, and after we're gonna probably eat some more food, and my life jack's hurting me, so
I'll call
yeah.
somebody else to get their
So
own.
If they have food.
we're gonna.
How's the fishing going?
I got 2 fish. I'm almost beating Lori.
Wow, you guys are tied already, huh?
I'm
Yeah, but
surfing
yours
because
are
this
bigger.
boat is like shaking up and down.
From the waves.
Yo, I should probably go this way.
So we just pulled out. We're gonna go have lunch at JT's camper, JT and Laurie. Alexa's riding with them. But look at here. We pulled out here and I think we're having a little mayfly hatch. Check this out. There's a few flies. They are everywhere. We're gonna go have some brats and burgers. Von Hansen brats.
Yeah, honestly. Ray
Some Von Hansen burgers.
Totally different design.
You smell those?
The spot welds didn't even go through.
I can.
Really just
So we're making lunch. We're having burgers. And Alexa, what are you making me?
Guacamole because he wanted some.
So you're making me guacamole. So you're gonna tell everybody your secret? No.
Well, I'll tell you one thing. Garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
no cilantro?
She won't tell me her recipe, so, and she makes the guacamole at home. This is where we're gonna sleep tonight, guys. Look at this.
My dad gets way more room than me.
Well, you can tell him. You can tell him that.
Not fair because my dad gets more room than me.
She doesn't think it's fair because I get more room in there. But I'm not so sure.
Daddy?
We'll see in the middle of the night who has more room.
Look. Let me get that. That. Yeah, that's me. You better believe I'm texting. Mom texted. Mom texted.
So we just had lunch. We're heading back out on the water. Alexa's staying back with Laurie. They're gonna play games. And we're gonna go have a pitching battle. Walleye battle right here. One-on-one.
No contest.
No contest. Listen to him. Oh yeah, right under. Not bolt sensitive here. I'm coming right here too. I got a big old leech. Fish on. God, he pounded it. It is a good one. Fish on, baby.
Look at that.
Cardenas is up. 1-0, baby. Hair jig. Look at that hook set too, right in the top of the mouth. There's one. He whacked it. Yeah, well, I pounded a rock. I hit a rock and I was kind of stuck, and as soon as I came off that rock, he just whacked it. Day 2.
We are going out fishing.
No, we can't keep them.
Anything right now. Who's got the net, Laurie?
Alexa caught a netter.
So the netter.
Gonna find out. You watch that bouncer come up. Keep an eye on that bouncer. You don't want to reel it into the rod tip. Nice and easy.
Here it comes.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Oh, it's shaking its
Oh,
head.
it's a nice walleye.
Flip.
Nice job.
I got the rod.
Is it a walleye?
Walleye.
It's a walleye.
Yay!
Laurie's taking
Coming
the
over
hook
another
out.
fish.
Laurie's taking the hook out. There it is.
Give it a kiss.
You want to kiss it?
No!
That's a beauty.
There we go.
Oh, it's a walleye.
Oh, right in the top of the mouth. Look at that. Nice hook.
Real
I
nice
better
and
reel
easy.
my rod in here. I'll just dunk it.
Keep pressure on it. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Got to keep reeling, girl.
Don't use your hand on the string. You'll hurt your
There
fingers.
you go.
Burn
Here
your
he
fingers.
comes. Oh, look at that one. Good job.
Smells like a fish. Open your mouth.
Papa
Look at
loves singing and dancing. Alexa.
That's a gorgeous fish.
Look at that. Longer than Betty.
Beauty.
We've had an awesome time up here on Mille Lacs.
We're done here.
No, we're
We're
not.
done here. We're not quite done here. Laurie's got to cook the fish, but we've had a fun time the
I think
last
it's-
2 days. We've caught lots of these.
What is that thing?
It's a little leech. There's a little leech on him. We got to get him back in the water so he
Wait,
can
can
go
I
swim.
kill it?
Yeah. Good times.
That's what we should do.
Can we go get ice cream after?
Oh.
I think we should.
What'd you just lose?
No, nothing. He just splashed the camera and me.